Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy bread egg sandwich. First, gather your ingredients: 2 slices of your favorite bread, 1 large egg, and a small pat of butter. Next, place a non-stick pan on your stovetop and set the heat to medium-low. Finally, take your bread slices and lightly butter one side of each, ensuring an even coating for a golden crisp. Now, let's get cooking. Carefully place your buttered bread slices, butter side down, into the warm pan. Immediately crack 1 egg directly into the center of one of the bread slices. This technique helps the egg cook right into the bread. Let it cook undisturbed until the egg white is mostly set, which usually takes about 2 minutes, ensuring a firm base. Once the egg white is mostly set, gently place the second slice of bread directly on top of the egg, butter side up. Now comes the crucial part. Carefully flip the entire sandwich over to cook the other side. Continue to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, or until both sides of the bread are a beautiful golden brown and the egg yolk reaches your desired doneness. This creates a perfectly integrated sandwich. Your easy bread egg sandwich is now ready. Carefully remove it from the pan and serve it immediately while it's warm and fresh. Feel free to customize your sandwich with additions like a slice of cheese, crispy bacon, or fresh avocado for an extra burst of flavor. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.